Here I have FAIRPHONE 3, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn off your device by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down power key and volume up. Combination of keys. This combination of keys for about a second or two, and after your screen turns on, you can release all the keys. When you see this Android robot laying down here, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the second option, reboot to bootloader, and after that you will end up in the boot mode. Here at the boot mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as start, restart bootloader, recovery mode, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, you can either select power off and just turn off your device, or start and restart it, as I am going to do. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.